out once again. Volunteers with the Salvation Army are hoping you can help them reach their goal. Our Chelsea Davis has a story from Maui.
Every Monday and Wednesday evenings, Matthew Kahiliho and his buddies sit outside Walmart in Kahului spreading Christmas cheer.
Walking in the winter.
He's been doing it for almost 50 years.
To help the Salvation Army so that they can help people that are less fortunate than me.
He started volunteering for the Salvation Army back in 1974 when he was just 25 years old. When the red kettles come up, he grabs his ukulele and a couple of friends and puts everyone in the Christmas spirit. He invites the public to join him.
Everybody can sing. If everybody can sing, they can join in. If they can dance, it's better yet.
The Salvation Army relies on volunteers like Matthew to help them raise money for those in need, not only during the holidays, but all year long.
Our theme this year is Love Beyond. We love beyond Christmas. While we do a lot of assistance at Christmas time, we still show that love and support for the community beyond Christmas into the coming year.
The Salvation Army helps approximately 25 million Americans a year and is active in 131 countries around the globe.
We still see a number of people, even coming out of the pandemic, that are in need, and some of those numbers have gone up this year. By you giving what you can at Christmas time helps us help those neighbors in your communities.
Matthew says he'll be doing this as long as he can.
I'll do it as long as the good Lord allows me to live.
So if you see him or any volunteer, let them know you hear their message. Reporting in Kahului, Chelsea Davis, Hawaii News Now.
This is like